Hello children, welcome back to history class. Till now, in our class 6, chapter 2, on the trail of earliest people, we have learned why and how the earliest people were continuously on the move. We have learned about the 3 different ages of Stone Age. The first, that is the previous Stone Age or the Paleolithic Age, the Middle Stone Age or the Mesolithic Age, and the newest or the latest Stone Age, that is the Neolithic Age. The different tools were made during the different Stone Ages. We have also discussed how these tools were made and what were the uses of these stone tools. In this class, we will take a look at the places that were chosen by the early men to live in. Let us take a look at the map given on page 14 of your history textbook. This map shows us about various sites belonging to Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and of Neolithic Age also. From these places, archaeologists have found remains of stones which were used to make tools, weapons, etc. by the early men. Sites are of 2 types: factory sites and habitation cum factory sites. We know that early men settled generally near the water bodies like rivers and lakes where water was easily available, and so was good quality stone used to make tools and weapons. They preferred to live in the caves near these places to protect themselves from rain, heat and wind. Bhimbetka rock shelters on the banks of river Narmada in present-day Madhya Pradesh is said to be the largest habitation site of these early humans. Here, the rock paintings give us the proof and knowledge of the lifestyle of the people of Paleolithic period. Similarly, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, archaeologists have discovered Kurnul caves, which are said to be the second largest cave site. From these Kurnul caves, also known as Belam caves, the archaeologists have found traces of ash. This indicates that in later Paleolithic period and early Mesolithic period, the early humans had discovered fire and used it to cook their food, to scare the animals and to keep themselves warm in cold and to generate light in the caves. In the state of Karnataka is a place named Hansagi where number of Paleolithic factory and habitation sites are found. At some sites, large number of tools used for all sorts of activities were found. The tools of Hansagi were made up mainly of limestone, which was easily available there. Children, we know that early humans were wanderers and nomads. They kept on moving from one place to other place. As we have evidences of their existence in our country India, similarly, the evidences of their existences around the world have been found, like the country France in Europe. Around 100 years ago, 4 school children, they discovered by accident the paintings in this cave tell us that they were made between 2000 and 10,000 years ago. The paintings are mainly of animals like wild horse, bison, woolly rhinoceros, reindeer, bear and aurochs, which are wild form of cattle. The paintings are done in bright colors generally made up from minerals like ochre or iron ore and charcoal, which must be found during that time in that particular region. It is believed these paintings must be done on special occasions or for special rituals like modern day pujas. What do you think must be the reason for this, children? Isn't it interesting, children, to know more about the early humans who were very much different from us, whose lifestyle was very much different from us? Children, let us do some small activities to find the difference between the lives of hunter-gatherers and our present day lives and see whose life was more better, right? As given in your textbook, page 21, question number 6. Make 2 columns in your class notebook. On the left side of the column, list food that were eaten by the hunter-gatherers, and on the right side, list foods that we eat today and compare them. Look at question 8. Here also you have to make 2 columns. In one column you have to list down all the tasks, means work, that are done by both men and women in present time. And in the second column, make a list of all the work done by men, women and children of Stone Age period and compare the lives and lifestyles of both the ages. And now let us conclude the lesson with this small exercise number 1 from textbook page 20. Complete the sentences. The first one is, hunter-gatherers chose to live in caves and rock shelters because they had to protect themselves from wild animals, cold, heat and rainfall. Now, the second question. Grasslands developed around dash years ago. How many years ago did the grasslands develop, children? Yes, they developed around 12,000 years ago. Okay, now let us see the third sentence. Early people painted on the dash of the caves. This is very easy. Answer it, children. Yes, they painted on the walls of the caves. Now, the fourth sentence. In Hansgi, tools were made up of dash. Yes, the tools were made up of limestone, which was found in large quantity in that region. So, with this, we complete our lesson 2, and from next class, that is the next video, we will be starting our chapter 3 from gathering to growing food. I request everybody to please read the textbook. If you have any difficulty, any doubts, or you have not understood anything properly, please feel free to ask me the doubts on my WhatsApp, or you can even call me, children, right? So see you in next class. Till then, read the lessons and learn the question answers well. Bye bye.